WEISS Light factory was established with one goal: the production of LED bulbs. For this purpose, the leaders of WEISS Light have purchased certain machines from eminent world manufacturers, while we have built others ourselves. Today, under one roof at the WEISS Light bulb factory, there are small craft shops, independent activities that are able to offer specific services, with main purpose to be used in production of the following product selection. Now follows WEISS Light factory sectors, which operate individually and available for hiring. Committed to continuous innovation and the application of new technologies, this sector uses the most efficient product development strategies like product testing and design, prototype production, quality control and prototype testing, production of zero series, final quality control and testing, regular production. Printed circuit boards, or PCB, are an integral part of each of our products. The reasons we design them ourselves in our own laboratories are adaptation of hardware to our own needs, reliability and unique design. Depending on the purpose of the PCB, we are able to design aluminium PCB, FPCB, FR4 PCB, FPC PCB, as well as single-layer and multi-layer printed boards for different applications. The control unit is one of the most important parts of our finished products, which with its components converts to the voltage of 220 volts to the voltage required for the operation of the PCB. In the laboratory, we design the form and construction of the control unit, as well as all of its components. Each is unique and manufactured for the needs of WEISS Light and fully meets the production characteristics. The transformer is a device designed according to special specifications that are the result of the mathematical calculations, development and testing by our professional team. Each transformer is designed according to the purpose of the end product. It is designed and built to withstand the stresses to which it is exposed throughout its lifetime. The tools, which are further used for production processes, are designed with the help of professionals. As a starting point in the development of new tools, our designers create a conceptual design, a sketch, which engineers later form into the actual product. Some of the basic tools we design and then use to create our production program are: A. Plastic injection tools, injection of casing for LED bulbs. B. Plastic extrusion tools, production of plastic callets for LED neon lights. C. Plastic blow molding tools, production of callets for LED bulbs. D. Aluminium injection tools, production of casing for lighting fixtures. E. Aluminium extrusion tools, production of casing for neon lights. We are able to produce every kind of tool, which, in agreement with clients, their desires and needs, we design ourselves. In order to shorten the development time of the new product, it is important to make a prototype, more precisely, an early product model, in the early stages, which largely corresponds to a real piece. 3D printer. This type of printing allows us to reach the first prototype quickly and easily, in order to easily examine the basic characteristics of the future product. Within a few hours, a completely new physical prototype can be generated. CNC and manual machines. In addition to the current 3D printers, CNC and manual machines for metal and plastic processing are used in the design of prototypes. Apart from the design and production of a wide range of electronic components, both for the needs of the WEISS Light company and also as service, we are able to design lighting component according to user requirements. Designing the diffuser allows us to provide the maximum angle of dissipation of useful light. Upon request, for different needs, we can design the focusing of the illuminated light at one point. It is made of polycarbonate with special additives that allow the formation of crystalline structure. As the accumulation of heat can significantly reduce the lifetime of LED lighting, we design casing in each lighting body has the simultaneous role of a cooler. Depending on the purpose, we use various materials for the construction of the casing according to the requirements. Special attention is paid to the design of coolers because their role is to provide a long life of electronic components. Designing and manufacturing these components enable us to constantly improve the quality of final products, to follow trends and new technologies, and to fulfill market requirements in a very short time. Apart from designing, our main activity is the service, production and assembly of electronic assemblies. The entire process is integrated in the tool plant, from design through construction to finishing tool work and the production of bulb housing itself. The machines that we own in the plants are A. CNC 4-axis milling machine, B. CNC 3-axis milling machine, C. CNC strug, A. CNC plasma cutter, B. CNC laser, C. Grinding machine for flat grinding, D. Lathe. For a complete and integrated production system, the plastic processing sector is inevitable. In the plastics processing plant, we process all plastic granules on the most modern machines with the help of dryers and industrial thermoregulators, which enable us to heat or cool all the tools if necessary. The technologies we use in plastics processing are depending on the purpose, method of installation and operating conditions, we are able to offer different transformers and we can fulfill all special requirements related to electrical characteristics. In addition to the transformer manufacturing operator, we also have an operator to examine it and we firmly support the product. In order to ensure the quality and uniqueness of our products, WEISS Light employs highly qualified engineers, but also uses modern machines. The SMT, surface mount technology, production line is used for setting and brazing of electronic components on printed boards and control units. In our plants, SMT production lines consist of the following machines: automatic printer for SMD paste application, soldering furnace with closed chamber and possibility of setting different temperature profiles, 5 zones, 3 PNP pick-and-place machines for installing SMD, surface mount device, components in pre-programmed locations on printed boards and control units with very precise mechanics and the possibility of putting together up to 35,000 components per hour, and the component that can be set is size 0201. By designing and creating control units in our plants, we have enabled control of the quality and quantity of the illuminated light, which ensures their multi-year lifetime and influence the quality of the finished product. In order for our final products to be ready for safe departure to the end users, we also have a division dealing with the production of plastic packaging and blister packaging. Production of packaging within the factory provides us complete finalization of finished products. This department in the production sector is equipped with the most contemporary specialized machines used for thermoforming of foils using a vacuum. A. Thermoforming machine. A machine for automatic and quick thermoforming, adapted and used for the processing of plastic materials PVC, PET. B. Ultrasonic welding machine. C. Stencil machine. Developed as one, the wrapping material and packaging department independently provides services to all interested clients. In addition to design and production services in electronics, we are also engaged in the reliable assembling of electronic components. Due to the sensitivity of the components, precision and quality, the assembly of the product is done manually in our factory. Like everything else, this process is under constant visual control. We're pleased to point out that we are able to offer the services of the following departments. The following machines are of great help for conduction of sheet metal work. CNC machine for cutting metal plates and CNC bending machines for metal plates up to 2 meters width and 5 millimeter thickness. We perform cutting and bending services for sheet metal, grinding, welding or soldering. In addition to the fact that we are working on the production of new sheet metal structures, we are able to reconstruct damaged and worn-out structures. Locksmith activities include the production of metal objects, parts of metal structures, sheet metal and metal profile processing. Various operations are available to clients: cutting, rasping, grinding, drilling, electrowelding. Complete solutions and services of plastification, metal parts and finished products are also always available. Upon request, we can paint, chromate, anodize or nickel. By using proven materials and experience, we guarantee quality. A CNC laser engraving and cutting machine enables extremely precise, computer-guided engraving on various materials as well as their cutting. We are proud to say that we are the only company in Europe that offers repair services for all lighting fixtures, from old lights, bells, lamps, torches, street lighting, everything you own in your business premises, production facilities, industrial halls or households. With this process, we are able to bring you already used but worn lighting fixtures back to the original condition. Our repair service also means automatic switching from existing to LED lighting through modification of the interior of the casing and further replacement of bulbs with adequate LED light sources, which involves control of design, production process and end products flows, and then their testing. First of all, we should mention that our business is in line with the following standards: ISO 9001 Quality Management, ICO 14001 Environment Protection Management, ISO 18001 Occupational Health and Safety Management. All lighting products that come out of our plants are in accordance with the CE standard, and the reliability of our products is also reflected in the EMC and LVD tests, after which all of our components have positive ratings. In addition to such externally performed tests, in our factory probes are carried out daily and in several categories for semi-finished and final products. Each new product is tested in real terms. With great pleasure, we can state that we are a company that is environmentally conscious and takes care of the environment. The warranty period for works carried out, installation and our products is 2 years, and within that period, the constructor removes all possible defects caused by the failure in the workmanship or the material at its expense.